Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Grace and I'm just going to be filming this really cute Christmas holiday look just with a neutral eye and a bold red lip. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Oh my gosh, it goes with my background. Oh, it looks so cute. First I'm going to use the shade Fresh right here on my ABH Cosmetics 6 brush. I'm just going to set like my whole base down with that. I'm going to take my Morphe M573 brush and I'm going to take the shade Twig first. I'm just going to apply that to the eyes. Now I'm going to go with the same brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Birch right here on the end and just apply this into the crease as well. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Dystopian and I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush and dip into that shade and I'm going to create I'm just going to blend that shade in the socket of my eye right here. Let's see where I'm blending that. Just to create some dimension in the eye. And then I'm going to place it on the outer V of the eye. Now I'm going to take the shade Teak right here. It's kind of like a burnt, rusty color, kind of, I don't know. And I'm going to take that on my Wet n Wild brush. It's just, doesn't really have a name, but it's by Wet n Wild. I'm going to put that shade on the outer V a little bit. I'm just blending that with the other shade that we had going on. I'm just putting that on half of the eye, pretty much. Then I'm going to take another shade and put it on the rest of the lid. I'm just going to blend those two shades together that we have going on just to create a more seamless blend. Now I'm going to take the shade Rose Quartz right there, the really pretty rosy shimmer shade, and I'm going to take it on my NYX Cosmetics Smoothing Concealer brush because I need more shading brushes and they're all dirty right now. I don't know what to do, so I'm just going to take this. I'm going to wash my brushes tonight though. I'm just going to put that on the inner part of the lid. Blending that in with the other shade that we have going on there. Sorry I have like this weird mark on my hand. It's because I was swatching the red lips that I wanted to use and I think I'm either gonna go with this NARS one or I'm gonna go with the Too Faced one that I have. Still haven't decided, but I'm probably gonna go with the Too Faced one because I don't know, it just looks really pretty. So I think we're done with the eyes for now. Now I'm going to move on to the face. And I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Combo Control Balance Primer. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. And to apply that, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe brush that I always talk about. I zoomed you out because we're onto the face right now. So yeah, it looks better when it's like zoomed out, I think. But yeah, so anyways, going in with another primer, I'm going to use the Farsali Skin Tune primer. I just have a sample of it because I'm cheap and I really don't want to buy a $75 or $65 primer. I don't remember how much it is. 50, 60, 70. I don't remember, something around there. But it is an awesome primer. I might get it like in the future, but like I don't know. Moving on, I'm going to take my NYX Can't-Stop-Wont-Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade Nude in this foundation, and I'm just going to apply some pumps to my face and blend that out. Alright, so now that I have my foundation on, now I'm going to go in with my two concealers that I use. I've been using these a lot lately as a combo because, I don't know, it's actually a really good combo, and it gives lots of coverage too. So that's always nice. Oh, I didn't even say what the product was. It's the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Nude. And this one's a little too dark for me and this one's a little too light for me. So I just mixed them for my perfect shade at the moment. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. After I dab the Born This Way concealer on, I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I just dab a little bit of that one on because I don't want the eyes to be too bright. I've noticed that this concealer actually makes me have flashbacks sometimes because it's so bright. I think it's just because of the shade. I don't think it's because of the product at all. Hopefully not, but Yeah, that's the tea. Actually, there's no tea. I don't know why I said that, but like, that's the info. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna take my Lawless Seal the Deal setting powder. I'm just gonna set my under eyes and all of my face with this powder right here. I'm not gonna do any baking because it's winter time, okay? In Michigan, it's winter time right now. So don't really want to bake right now because like, that's too drying for my skin right now. I don't have that oily of skin right now. It's calmed down a little bit because it's, I mean, I still have pretty oily skin, but it's calmed down since it's winter time. But my T-zone still gets pretty oily, so I do like to put a lot of powder on my T-zone, especially my nose and my forehead. Like, yes, all the powder. All right, now that I have all of that set in place, I'm gonna move on to blush and bronzer and contouring and highlight, all that jazz. I've been using this a lot lately because I'm trying to use it up. I have like hit pan on my four shades that I usually use. So yeah, I'm trying to use that up at the moment because I have other contour palettes that I need to try out soon, and I just like don't want to try them out and be like, oh, I totally forgot about my Kat Von D one, which I probably will do anyways, knowing me, but you know, what can you do? I'm a makeup junkie. So and now for my bronzer, I'm going to take my Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm going to take the bronzer in here, and to apply that I'm going to use my Wet n Wild P53 brush. For blush, I'm going to use my Burts Bees Blush in Bare Peach and my Tarte blush in Party. Just trying to use it up. It's one of my favorite blushes, like honestly. Obviously, I hit pan and I broke it, so that's how much I love it. And this is such a nice duo too. I think this calls for Amrezy highlight because it's a holiday look. We gotta use some Amrezy highlight. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics 4 brush. Kind of rushing because I have to be somewhere in like 30 minutes. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do my brows, and to do that I'm gonna use my NYX Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. And to set my brows, I'm just gonna use my Sephora Clear Brow Gel. I zoomed you back in because now I'm gonna finish up the eyes. I'm just gonna take the Sultry Palette and I'm gonna finish up the eyes. With my Morphe M507 brush, I'm going to take the shade Twig right here. I'm just repeating the same steps that I did up there. I'm going to take the shade Birch, blend that shade down there. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to apply my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I forgot to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, so I'm just going to do that with the Amrezy highlight and my e.l.f. contour brush. I'm going to wear bold lip color. Okay, so I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the shade Hot Red. It's just a red lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips with that. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Bear. That lip liner was the total wrong shade, but oh well. So yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs it up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell if you want to get notified when I upload a new video. I guess I'll see you guys next time.